Hey folks, it's me, Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at this. This is a cordless drill from SnapFresh, one of the most fantastic and lightweight drills. I gotta show you because force perspective makes it look larger than it is, but this thing is actually pretty petite, which is fantastic. If you're holding a drill over your head all day, working with it, this thing is super lightweight and you're not going to fatigue like some of those big brand drills. So I'm super excited about it. I'm going to tell you all about it, all the stats, all the figures, all the information, and we're going to kick it off right about now. So what is so great about it? Now, first off, it is a 20 volt, 2 amp drill, lithium ion. The battery is actually very lightweight. They've done so much good stuff with lithium ion batteries. They charge quickly. They're not as heavy as they used to be, and they hold a lot of power. So that's a nice aspect. And the fact that they're not so heavy. Remember when you used to have a brick at the bottom of your drill just to be able to use it all day? Well, this really lasts. Next off, one of the things I do like about it is the carrying case. My big brand drill does not have that. And the carrying case comes with something a little special here. You're gonna love this. Look at all the bits, all the stuff that comes with it, as well as actual drills. So I'm telling you folks, where areas, some drills, you just get the drill. This, you're getting all the accoutrement with it, including this, which is for screw driving and driving around corners. So that's going to be a huge advantage for you. If you think about it, that's absolutely amazing, and you're going to absolutely love it. Look at that. I can pretty much drill backwards. Are you kidding me, folks? That's absolutely amazing. As well as it's got screwdrivers, it's got flat tip, Phillips head, and every little hex thing that you're ever going to need. Now I was going to, and see the quality there, these are good quality stainless steel, H2, H2.5, etc., the T27, T10 through T45. In fact, I'm just gonna pull these out and show you while I talk about it. I was going to give this to Amy as a gift on Shopping with Amy. It's her birthday coming up. Happy birthday, Amy. But I got to admit, I don't want to give it up because I want to keep this one. This one's absolutely amazing. Are you kidding me? Like, look at all the bits that this comes with. Look at all the attachments. It's got the charger that comes with it, the cabling that comes with it. And it is so lightweight. That's the selling part for me. You can adjust like how much torque it has, the power and speed. Everything about it is super adjustable. And like I said, the selling part for me is the lightweight. You know, I didn't think, you see how it has a light on it? See that light right on the bottom? I didn't know that I would use the light, frankly. When I got it, I was like, oh, who's gonna use a light like this? It seems kind of trivial. First time I used it, I was in love with the light because I was working in a low light area and all of a sudden I had a light that I didn't previously have. So that was fantastic. Then, to top it off, I left it in that area and I forgot about it. And then I was like, oh no. And I was walking through, it was dark and I couldn't find my way out. I just turned on the light. So easy adjustment, just like your standard drills. You can go backwards, forwards. You can power mode 1 and 2, and you can adjust it here as well. Super awesome, and I will say, super easy to back these out, right? No problem here at all. I'll show you real quick. You just put it in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, I love this. I'm a big fan of SnapFresh. They're making good quality products. Whenever I say quality, I always say quality, as if there was a koala involved. I do like it a lot. It's a fantastic little drill that packs a punch. This thing is absolutely one of the strongest little drills on the market. I'm super happy with it. And, you know, the cordless user manual, BBT-JOZ57C, is the actual serial number on it, and it has all the information. I mean, drills are pretty straightforward, so I don't know that you're going to need it. But the care and use and the rating, rated at 20 volts, chuck capacity 10 millimeters, position 1 and 2, you've got 400 revolutions per minute, 1400 revolutions a minute. It only weighs 0.9 kilograms, so less than a kilogram. 65 decibels, which is pretty quiet. If you're used to old school loud drills where you have to wear safety protection, don't worry about it. Sound level L is 76. Vibration is pretty minimal as well. And easy to charge, LED indicators on the charger, and the charger does come with it. Let me hold that up for you. So everything you need comes with it, all the little goods, as well as customer service. They even give you a telephone number for support, and I don't doubt you'll never have to call it. So yeah, go ahead and pick one up for yourself. I'm putting a few of the bit heads that came out back in, and you're going to love it. It's a great drill, folks. There's no doubt that this one's going to change your world. So go ahead and pick one up today. You absolutely will not be disappointed with SnapFresh, folks. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.